Ways how professional cleaners remove stains from carpets. For removing all types of stains from carpets, our professionals from Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne follow certain procedures. Today we will be taking a look at these procedures since their efficacy has made us one of the renowned companies providing the best carpet cleaning service in Melbourne. The procedures include mixing dishwasher with water, spraying the solution on the carpet stains, using another cloth to remove the stains, using paper towels to soak the stains, steam cleaning for hard to remove stains. When these steps are followed, it provides the best results. So, if you are searching for professionals who offer budget carpet cleaning services in Melbourne, consider us. As we are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at www.bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.